This video is meant as a brief introduction into the conic section of circles. We will be defining circles, looking at the equation, and then practice recognizing the center and radius from that equation. So let's first define a circle. A circle is defined as a set of points in a plane that are equidistant, and that means the points are equal distance away from a given point on the plane called the center. And any line segment connecting that center to the outer rim of the circle is called the radius. If you were to just imagine a circle, so here is our circle, not much is used to create a circle. We can see that point in the center, and we see all of these points on the outside of that circle for it. Now, if I were to take that point on the center and draw a segment to the outside, the outer rim of it, we know that that is called the radius, and that's what this part of our definition says. So if we need to write the equation of a circle, we just need a center and a radius. And that is how we get our standard form. We use just the center and the radius. The equation is x minus h, that quantity squared, plus the quantity y minus k squared equal to r squared. Your h and your k represent the coordinate of the center of the circle, and the r is the radius for it. So this is the standard form we will be trying to get our equations in and what we'll be graphing from. So let's first just practice identifying some of the parts of a circle from the equations. So name the center and the radius given these equations, which are already in standard form. So remember, our standard form is the quantity x minus h squared plus the quantity y minus k squared, and that should be equal to your radius squared, r squared. So if I look at this first example, I don't have a parentheses around the x or a parentheses around the y, for there is no number being added or subtracted to the x. There's no number being added or subtracted to the y. And so that means those numbers are zero. So our center for this circle is represented by the coordinate 0, 0. Now 16 represents r squared in the equation. So if I want to know what my radius is, I'm going to square root both sides. And so my radius, the square root of 16, is 4. And so now I have my center and now I have my radius, and you're going to find out it's very easy to graph once you get those two pieces of information. So let's look at our center on number 2. X minus 3 squared plus y minus 5 squared equals 36. So HK represents my center. So here my center is 3, 5. 36 represents r squared. So if I want to find r, I would square root both of those. And so the radius of this circle is 6 units. And that's it. Once you get it in standard form for a circle, it's very easy to identify the center and the radius, and you're going to find out in future videos how easy it is to graph from that point.